Hi there, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to remove or delete Windows.old folder from your C drive in Windows 10. As you can see, the properties of the Windows.old folder. This folder acquired near about 24 GB disk space. Let's see how to remove this folder. Now let's go to C drive and right click on it and choose properties, and here click on disk cleanup. Under the disk cleanup, click on cleanup system files. This will take a couple of seconds or minutes according to your system configuration. Under the disk cleanup for Windows, just click on checkbox, that is previous Windows installations. Click on this checkbox and click OK. And now this cleanup process has been started and it is going to progress. And here is some caution for you. Click on yes. Guys, it will take couple of minutes according to your system configuration. I have already told that. The disk cleanup process is going to complete. And guys, it is done. And click here OK button. As you can see, the space of the C drive has been increased. Double click on it and here there is no Windows.old folder. So guys, I hope this video will definitely help you. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.